Hi everyone, welcome you all. So previously we have learned how to use a while loop for creating a pattern, and today we are going to see a new topic that can be used with the while. So that is called a while else. Okay, so let's get rid of all these and start a new program. One more thing, notice I am using only one file every day because I do not need my previous work. But do not follow this. Okay, you people can create a new file and execute that file. For example, what you can do, you can go to the file and create a new file. Okay, new file from the scratch. Or if you are out of this presentation mode, I'm going to get out of this presentation mode and see the project. From here you can create another file, new, and then we have a file, let's say abc.py. Okay, abc11.py. Okay, anything. Now you can see we have a new file, and to execute this new file you have to press Ctrl Shift and F10, and see this file is executed abc1. Okay, so don't press only Shift F10 because it will execute only previous file. For example, you can see we have a file which is for class 12. You can check it out, and if I simply press Shift F10, it will execute my abc11 only. Okay, to execute this file I need to press Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, stop and run. You can see my new file has been executed. Okay, so my current, to execute the current file you need to press Ctrl Shift F10. Okay, back to our main file where we want to learn while else. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a value of I is equals to 1 and while I less than equals to 5. Okay, and let's have a space so that it doesn't give me error, and print the value of I, and I is equals to I plus 1. Okay, that's perfectly fine. And let's go to the presentation mode again so that you can view this program properly. So enter to the presentation mode. Now you can see and execute this piece of our code. Okay, Control Shift F10 again. So you can see a simple file of 1 2 3 4 5. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write an else here and specify print while is ended. And if I execute this, you can see my line is executed. Now what if I do not specify else and simply print end of y, end of y, let's say y. Okay, so at first glance you will see, notice no difference. There is no difference between the previous one and this one. Okay, let's get back to my previous program. So this and previous program do not have any difference. Now I'm going to make a difference. For example, if I say if I is equals to 3, I'm going to terminate by using a break. Okay, and now let us execute this program and check out whether my end of while, yeah, while is ended line is executed or not. Let us run this program and you will see this piece of a code is not executed. Now what does this implies? Okay, for more clarification, I'm going to copy the above piece of a code from here to here and copy it, and this time I'm going to write, let's say x, so that it gives me clear picture that the second loop is executing, and this time I am not using a while. Okay, right? So I have a two version of two scripts in a program where we have a break statement and where we do not have a break statement. Let us see and execute these piece of code. Now if you check it out, this one, I think now you can better see this program. So here to here, this is the first program, and the output of this loop is here 1 2 3, and without the while is ended. Okay, and in this, yeah, or you can see this piece of output for another for loop, while loop, in which while is ended printed. Okay, to distinguish this, let us have a x and re-execute this. So you can clearly see this else is not executed while this else part is executed. Now answer to this is, when while is terminated normally without interruption, then else is executed. Okay, or you can say, if this condition is dissatisfied and loop is terminated because of this, then else part is executed, and if it is executed from in between without this condition, or not because of this condition is false, then this part of the loop or else part of while loop is not executed. Okay, hope this is clear to you, right? So by using this phenomenon, this functionality, you have to write a program for prime numbers. What you need to do, it is very simple. You have to take a number and check out whether the number is prime or not, but you have to essentially use else there, right? Or while else part. Hope this is clear to you and you will find easy to do it. So that's all for the day. It's time to say goodbye, bye bye, and have a nice day.